welcome back to the channel again. Quick one this time. Now, some time ago in Edinburgh, I dropped my wee film camera, my wee Praktica BMS. I love this wee camera. It was a great wee camera. I bought it in 1991-ish because it came out in 1989 when I got married, 37 years ago. So I dropped it. I ended up, there was a wee crack in it here, and I thought, right, okay, it should survive. But unfortunately, it's stuck on a shutter speed. I don't know what one it is. So that would be a guessing game. It sounds as if it could be 125 and above. You never know. So I bought another one. I got one out of, cost me 30 quid or something. Now, I got this one, so I've put the lens on it. We're back. Seems to be okay. I'll give it a good clean. There is film in it. For some reason, we're at 20 frames. So I don't know what to do, and it's Agfa 200, 36 exposure. So I think we've got about 10 images left on it, which we'll use. I'll use that up and we'll have a look and see how that goes. And it came with, I put my 50mm lens on it that was on my broken one, and it came with this lens as well, which is 28 to 70. 28 to 70, that's not too bad. 55mm. Which just works fine, looks fine, but we'll see, because there's already some pictures taken with the camera, up to 20 obviously with the Agfa. So I'll see if it looks okay in that. Other than that, I'll be using my 50mm. I also get this wee meter with it as well, for the same amount of money. Wee Weston Euromaster. And we'll see how that goes. I've got a couple of light meters now anyway, so what I'll do is I'll clean it up and we'll have a go with it and we'll see how it looks. Get some quick images out in the street with it probably. That's what I wanted it for anyway, just walk about, film camera. So I always like to Praktica BMS. Now that's the first time my lens has been off this one since I bought it, the 50mm, and it's pristine in there too. Couldn't believe it, how clean that is. What a waste. Anyway, I'll try and figure out what shutter speed it's stuck on, and I'll maybe just be able to work round about that. Everything else should work. So anyway, thanks for watching this quick video. Hopefully we'll get some pictures soon.